In this disaster detail episode, I am going to clean my disgusting E34. It is perfectly nasty and the seats need to come out and we need to clean the whole carpet, clean the seats, everything. It's already clean right now and the difference is quite mind-blowing. The seats were black and I'm going to show you the disgusting stuff that was in the wet vacuum and you'll probably be very disgusted. I'm just going to show you the overall condition of the interior. The seats are completely stained everywhere, even if it doesn't fully pick up on camera. There is debris and grime everywhere. Some weird substances have been dropped and the floor is just covered in mud, disgust and other nasty things. I don't want to know what happened there because that one is off the books. Overall, really dusty and disgusting. Everything is filled with like soda and nasty stuff. There's small coins everywhere. And this is the front driver's seat. As you can see, the staining is really off the charts. I mean, I don't know what color these originally were, but I guarantee you it is not the dust gray stained condition they're in right now. Before I'm gonna take out the front seats for extra space, I'm just gonna clean a bit with the vacuum here and take out all the debris by hand, because then it's a bit less disgusting. Some more coins, sanding paper for whatever reason, probably remains of a croissant, another tab from probably beer, more shit, rocks, and there's even some small stuff I can't get to, a clip. This is from the rocker cover actually, so I'll keep that. Dirt, beer taps, and some more dirt. I forgot to mention, I just found a sponge. I'm not gonna use that. Yeah, this car has now become a biohazard case. I'm gonna go get my mask. I'm masked up and from now on I won't be speaking much because this is just disgusting and I want to get over with it. So, see you guys when it's done. The seats and the passenger side of the car are now fully cleaned. They are a lot cleaner, there's no visible stains anymore. They're a lot brighter, but still. They are kind of dark and dull, but that's to be expected from 30-plus-year-old seats. And I think we removed a fair bit of disgusting things because that shit is darker than a Coke or so, I don't know. It's fucking disgusting. But yeah, this seat can now dry for the next few days. This is unfortunately no longer salvageable, and I'm not about to replace the whole carpet of the entire car on a cheap beater just to fix this. One of the extremely intelligent people of the previous owners decided that it would be a wise idea to just use industrial glue to glue the floor mats. Now it's completely fucked, there's no saving this. I mean, there's a saying that perfectly describes this situation: can't fix stupid. And this is the final result. The car is now relatively clean, the seats are no longer stained, they cleaned up immensely. This is a water spot from the door because, as you can see, it rained quite a lot. But yeah, everything is now relatively clean. The only thing I still need to do is buy new floor mats because this is still fucked. Even the rear bench came out quite nice. And there's just this one spot I couldn't get rid of. But after all, everything looks quite representable right now. I'm just going to buy some floor mats for the whole car in this nice velour beige color, and then we're good. Yesterday I tried to do a first dry. That's why there's a 10-litre box and a 5-litre box of coolant and oil. But it didn't work out. But oh well, can't complain. If you have made it this far into the video, thank you so much. Right now I'm trying to diagnose the car, because it still won't cooperate, and by it I mean the engine. The engine still won't cooperate, it has no idle, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I checked that theory with skipped crankshaft. In the meantime, I have already resealed the head. Engine timing as far as crankshaft, injection pump and camshaft works, but the injection pump I still can't get the lift, so I have no clue what's going wrong. And now I'm just desperately trying to get diagnostics hooked up, because sometimes it just works and sometimes it doesn't. And when I bought the car, even though it had a blown head gasket and blown cooling system, it still ran. Like, I let the glow plugs do their magic, and then I cranked it, quarter of a turn, it jumped, and now sometimes I have to crank for 10 seconds before it starts, and it's just really annoying. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. To follow the progress on the E34, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Bye!